There are no credible reports that Campi Flegrei has erupted today. However, this massive volcanic area near Naples, Italy, has experienced a significant increase in volcanic and tectonic activity in recent years. This phenomenon has attracted the attention of geologists worldwide, as Campi Flegrei is one of the most complex and potentially hazardous volcanic systems in Europe. A recent study shows that between 2022 and mid-2025, more than 54,000 small earthquakes were detected in the Campi Flegrei caldera area. This data was obtained through analysis using artificial intelligence, AI, which is able to sort and identify small tremors that were previously difficult to detect with conventional methods. Most of the large earthquakes recorded were at depths of less than 4 kilometers, and many of them were shallow and related to crustal movements, tectonics, rather than active magma migration to the surface. This suggests that despite the increased activity, there is no strong evidence that magma is rising directly to the surface. One of the defining characteristics of Campi Flegrei is the phenomenon of bradisma, a slow process of ground movement and subsidence caused by changes in pressure beneath the caldera. In recent years, this movement has been observed to intensify. Satellite data and field measurements indicate that the ground surface in and around Pozzuoli has been rising several centimeters per year, indicating increased pressure underground. Bradisma is nothing new at Campi Flegrei. It has occurred repeatedly throughout history. However, the current increase is one of the most significant since the 1,980 seconds, when the region experienced a volcanic crisis that caused suffering for tens of thousands of residents. The Italian government, through the Protezione Civile and Istituto Nazionale di Geofisica e Volcanologia, has set the alert level at yellow, the weak, moderate imbalance level in the 4-color system, green, yellow, orange, red. This level indicates higher than normal activity, but no signs of an imminent eruption. The yellow alert status allows for intensive monitoring of groundwater discharge, volcanic gases, and increased earthquake frequency. Authorities are also preparing mitigation plans and emergency scenarios should the alert level rise to orange or red. Although there are no indications of a major eruption, several risks still require vigilance. One is a phreatic eruption, or a small eruption caused by water vapor, which can occur without much warning. This type of eruption typically occurs when underground air comes into contact with heat from a magmatic system, producing a sudden surge in pressure that explodes at the surface. Even a small-scale phreatic eruption can be dangerous for residents or tourists near the active fumarole area. Furthermore, the population density around Campi Flegrei is a risk factor. This area encompasses most of the city of Pozzuoli, the western suburbs of Naples, and a coastal area home to over 500,000 people. Throughout its geological history, Campi Flegrei has produced several major eruptions, one of which, approximately 39,000 years ago, was one of the largest in European prehistoric history. For anyone in and around Naples, it is important to follow official information from INGV and Protezione Civile, not social media or unofficial sources. Pay attention to local indicators, such as an increase in the frequency of felt earthquakes, accelerated uplift, the appearance of new fumaroles or gas vents, and changes in groundwater behavior. Understand the emergency response plan developed by local authorities. Although not yet fully active, each zone has clear routes and assembly points. Don't panic, but remain vigilant. Increased volcanic activity does not necessarily mean an imminent major eruption. Rather, it indicates that the volcanic system is unstable and requires close monitoring. To date, there is no evidence that Campi Flegrei has erupted or is currently erupting. However, the increase in small earthquakes, the phenomenon of bradykemia, and the continued cooling of the soil indicate that the volcanic system is unstable. Government and scientific institutions continue to monitor in real time using seismic networks, GPS, and satellites to detect any significant changes